In this video, I will demonstrate how to remove the language selector from the WordPress login screen. And to achieve this result, I'll be using the Disable Login Language Selector plugin. And also, I will leave the link to it in the video description. So let's go ahead and log into WordPress dashboard. Then look for plugins, and then click Add New. Then the search, let's type Disable Login Language Selector. And should look for this plugin. Then go ahead and click Install Now. Now let's go to Install Plugins. And we can just activate it from here. Here it is. The moment I will activate it and I refresh the WP login screen, you'll notice that language selector will disappear. So let's activate it now. Now it's active, so let me refresh the page. And the login selector is no longer visible. In case I wish to show it once again, all I have to do is simply deactivate the plugin. And after refresh, it shows once again. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the short tip useful. And for more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.